Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Brokstock. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Brokstock is an authorized financial services provider that is licensed and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and is the trading name of BCS Markets SA. BCS Brokers, or Broker Credit Service Limited, was originally founded in 1995, and in 2004, BCS Brokers Cyprus was established and received a CY/SEC license. And by 2009, BCS Brokers was the largest member of the Moscow Exchange. In 2013, this company launched BCS Prime Brokerage UK and received an official license from the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. Most recently, BCS Markets SA Limited was established and the Brokstock trading application was launched. Today, BCS Brokers has offices in Dubai, the United Kingdom, Cyprus, America, and South Africa. And this broker is licensed and regulated in all these jurisdictions. Brokstock offers commission-free trading on JSE shares, US shares, metals, and currency pairs. You will also have access to an economic calendar, in-depth market analytics, and 24-hour customer support. Brokstock offers competitive conditions for trading shares, currencies, and metals. This broker's accounts are beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading. As a client, you can trade on Brokstock's mobile application, and there is one standard account that will give you full access to all the tools, resources, and instruments Brokstock offers. This broker provides 24-hour customer support and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Brokstock is one of the most popular stock brokers for South Africans and offers a wide range of instruments from the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. With this broker, you can trade hundreds of shares, major currencies, metals such as gold, silver, and platinum, as well as cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Brokstock, choose an option from the Markets tab, or go to the Contract Specifications page. If you need any assistance, you can reach the Brokstock customer support team via email, telephone, or live chat via their application. Customer support is available during business hours on weekdays, and you will find direct contact details on the Contacts page. You will have direct access to the customer support team once you've downloaded their mobile application, so you'll be able to speak to them whenever you need assistance. Before you contact customer support, we recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the customer support team at any time. If you have any friends or family who are interested in trading on a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance through the Brokstock referral program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus of 150 Rand per successful referral. As a client, you can use Brokstock's proprietary mobile trading application. This application is beginner-friendly, and it comes with built-in tools, insights, and suggestions. The Brokstock application is designed to make trading and investing as easy as possible. and it can be downloaded at no cost from Google Play or the Apple App Store. It has been downloaded by more than 50,000 users and has mostly positive reviews on Google Play, so it seems reliable. To learn more about the features of this application, open a free account and click on either one of the download links once you have access to your dashboard. In the future, Brokstock plans to introduce a new account that will be usable on the MetaTrader 5 platform, so keep an eye out if you are interested in trading with this broker on the MetaTrader platform. Brokstock offers one type of live account that will give you access to all the tools and instruments offered, as well as a demo account that you can use to trade risk-free using virtual currency. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you are ready to open a live account, no minimum deposit will be required, and opening an account takes only a few minutes. This account can be used to trade a wide range of instruments and will give you full access to the Brokstock investment application. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Brokstock offers, head over to the FAQ page. Creating an account with Brokstock will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free and easy. You can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Brokstock homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Submit your mobile number, and then enter your one-time PIN. After your account has been verified and approved, you can log in to your client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Once you are within the client portal, you have the option to create and verify your live account, or you can continue using a virtual demo account. What you'll want to do next is download and install the mobile application, and then you can begin trading with virtual currency. After you have created your live account, simply download the mobile application and you can start trading. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with Brokstock. However, when you are ready to make a deposit, you can fund your account using South African rands. You can make a secure deposit using bank transfers or bank cards, and no fees are charged. Bank card deposits are processed instantly. However, bank transfers may take up to 2 hours to be finalized, and withdrawals can maybe take up to 2 days to be settled. If you would prefer to use a different currency to fund your account, we would recommend visiting one of the other BCS websites. You can make a withdrawal using any of these supported deposit methods, and withdrawals are free. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Brokstock provides updated market overviews, and we would recommend bookmarking this page and checking it often to see what's driving the markets. This broker provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major economic events in over 70 central banks around the world. You can use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account using their mobile application. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Brokstock is an excellent choice for any South African investor looking for a hassle-free way to build a solid portfolio. Brokstock not only gives you access to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and all listed African companies, but you can also invest in international shares or buy metals and cryptocurrencies. The Brokstock investment platform is beginner-friendly and trading fees are low. This broker seems safe and reliable. However, remember, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly, and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Brokstock. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.